Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create WhatsApp backup on OnePlus Nord CE5. Okay, so first we need to simply open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner, and now let's click on the settings. Once we are here, simply find the chats, scroll down, click on the chat backup, and now let's discuss a few things right in here. So let's begin with the Google account. In here, currently this Google account is selected because we are logged into that in the settings of our device. And on that account, which is selected right in here, our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restore the backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here on your device, of course. If you want to change that account, simply click on Add, and there you'll have a possibility to add another one. Below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is set on off, but we have modes such as daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. Currently it's on the monthly, and that means that each month the backup is automatically made and we don't need to remember to do this manually, so it's really comfortable feature. I suggest you should pick one of those options. Below we have option to include the videos. If you choose to turn it on, in here you can see how many megabytes will be backup, because defaultly this option is also set on off. As we scroll down a little, on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here basically you can create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore the chats. So if you choose to create that password, don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore the chats. Okay, now also make sure that you have some free Google storage space, and then click on backup button. Now let's wait a few seconds. It won't take long. Alright, and now our backup has been successfully made. In my case, it might didn't work because I have over 91% Google storage space. But simply make sure that you have some free storage space. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.